So sodium hydroxide is what you start with. The second half of your name is going to come from the acid. So what acid have you got?
Hydrochloride.
Yeah, so if you look in this square, what kind of salt are you going to make if you've got hydrochloric acid?
HCl.
So if you look in here, if you read the sentence linked to hydrochloric acid, which one is that?
Chloride salt.
Exactly, what kind of salt?
Chloride salt.
Exactly, chloride salt. So if you've got sodium is your first bit, what's going to be your second half of that name?
Chloride.
Exactly, so together, sodium, what's going to be the salt? Sodium.
Sodium chloride.
Exactly, sodium chloride. And water. Perfect. Okay, next one. Alex, if we have sulfuric acid and barium hydroxide, what's going to be the salt that's made?
Barium sulfate.
Barium sulfate. Perfect. Manihil, how did he get that name, barium sulfate? How did he make that? That was correct.
Because the metal, the metal name and the acid, and the first name of the metal is barium, and the acid is sulfuric is equal to sulfate, so the barium sulfate is the name of the
Exactly.
salt.
Perfect. Exactly. We've got the metal, which is barium, and we've got the ending, which is coming from the acid, which is sulfate. So barium sulfate. And what other thing will also be made, Shobru? So that's our salt. What else will? Water. Perfect. Yeah, so whenever you've got anything hydroxide, it's going to make the salt and water. So our last one is also a neutralization reaction, but we make one extra thing. So when acid reacts with carbonate, we're going to make salt again, neutralization reaction. Kalula, can you remember what else we make when we react acid and carbonate? Clue in the fact that it's carbonate.
Carbon dioxide.
Exactly, carbon dioxide. So we're going to get the same thing as the one we looked at before, but we're also going to get carbon dioxide. So in these next two examples, we're going to get salt, water, and carbon dioxide. So nitric acid and sodium carbonate. Shoru, what are our products going to be? What are we going to make?
So it's going to be sodium nitrate.
Sodium nitrate, yes, good.
Sodium nitrate.
Yeah.
Plus water plus carbon dioxide.
Exactly, perfect. Sodium nitrate, which is our salt, plus water, plus carbon dioxide. So we get three things in this reaction. The next one's going to follow the same pattern. Kalula, what three things will hydrochloric acid and copper carbonate make? So we're going to get salt, water, carbon dioxide. So what's going to be our three things?